Chapter 13. Present tense. Simple present tense. Read the following sentences. 1. I eat breakfast every morning. Habit. 2. She works as a teacher. Job. 3. The earth revolves around the Sunday. Fact. 4. They speak Spanish fluently. Skill. 5. He likes to swim in the pool. Preference. The verbs in these sentences are in the simple present tense. We use simple present tense for actions or situations that are generally true, habitual, or exist in the present moment. Forming verbs in the simple present tense. While forming the simple present tense, we make sure that the noun or pronoun agrees in number with the verb. 1. With I, we, you, they, and plural nouns, we use the root or base form of the verb. Examples. I bake cookies. We like ice cream. You pray daily. They laugh loudly. All these children watch cartoons daily. 2. With he, she, it, and singular nouns, we add s or s to the root or base form of the verb. Examples. He plays cricket. She dances well. My dog barks at strangers. It jumps over the fence. 3. When verbs end with a consonant plus y changes to is with he, she, it, and singular nouns. Examples. The baby cries whenever she's hungry. Cry. He tries his best to solve difficult math problems. Try. The bird flies high in the sky. Fly. The sun dries the wet clothes on the clothesline. Dry. 4. When verbs end with a vowel plus y, we add s to the root form of the verb with he, she, it, and singular nouns. Examples. She plays the piano beautifully. He prays every morning before starting his day. The donkey brays loudly. Our family stays at the beach house during the summer holidays. 5. When verbs end with ss, ch, sh, x, and z, we add s to the root form of the verb with he, she, it, and singular nouns. Examples. The cat hisses when it's scared. Hiss. He watches his favorite TV show every evening. Watch. She brushes her hair before going to bed. Brush. My mom fixes the broken toy. Fix. It buzzes around the flower. Buzz. Present continuous tense. Read the following sentences. 1. I am reading a book right now. 2. Lavshika is working on a new project at her job. 3. The students are listening to the teacher's explanation. The verbs in these sentences are in the present continuous tense. We use the present continuous tense for actions that are unfinished or going on at the time of speaking. We often use words such as now, at the moment, these days, today, always, tomorrow, later, tonight, this evening, and for a while with the present continuous tense. Forming verbs in the present continuous tense. In the present continuous tense, we use the present form of the verb to be, am, is, are, and add the ing form of the main verb to indicate an action that is happening right now or is ongoing in the present. Is or am or are plus ing form of the main verb. Read these given sentences. 1. Mom is baking a cake now. 2. He is playing basketball. 3. She is eating her bunch. 4. It is raining outside. 5. I am writing a letter. 6. You are talking loudly. 7. We are cooking dinner. 8. They are watching a movie. 9. Ahmad and Asim are flying kites now. 1. For most verbs, we add ing to the root or base form of the verb. Examples. Jump. Jumping. Bring. Bringing. 2. For verbs that end with e, we drop e and add ing. Examples. Dance. Dancing. Breathe. Breathing. 3. For verbs that end with ie, we change ie to y and add ing. Examples. Lie. Lying. die, dine, die, time. 4. For some verbs having a vowel and a consonant in the end, we double the last consonant before adding ing. Examples: put, putting, swim, swimming. Simple present tense and present continuous tense. The simple present tense tells us about actions that happen in the present moment or are done regularly. The present continuous tense tells us about actions that are happening at the time of speaking. Read the following sentences. 1. I exercise daily. Simple present tense. 2. I am exercising on the treadmill right now. Present continuous tense. The first sentence is a general statement and tells us that the speaker exercises. This sentence is said to be in the simple present tense. The second sentence tells us that the speaker is exercising at the time of speaking and therefore, the action is still in progress. This sentence is said to be in the present continuous tense. Present perfect tense. Read the following sentences. 1. Seema has just eaten her lunch. 2. She has come home. 3. We have bought a new house. 4. It has rained heavily this month. 5. I have already submitted my project. The verbs in these sentences are in the present perfect tense. We use the present perfect tense for actions. A. That have just been completed. B. That have already been completed at the time of speaking. C. That started in the past and are continuing in the present. D. For which the time mentioned has not finished yet. We often use words such as just, for, since and already in the present perfect tense. The present perfect tense talks about an action completed in the recent past whose effect continues in the present. Read these given sentences. 1. Dad went to Pune yesterday. Action done in the past, simple past tense. 2. Dad has gone to Pune today. Past action linked with the present perfect tense. Forming the verb in the present perfect tense. We use has or have plus past participle form of the verb. We use has or have before the main verb. We use has with he, she, it and singular nouns. We use have with I, we, you, they and plural nouns. We use the past participle form of the main verb along with has or have. Read these given sentences. 1. Samir and Dheeraj have come late for the class. 2. She has finished her homework. 3. It has run away from the farm. 4. Madhav has read that book already. 5. I have traveled to Europe twice. 6. We have won several championships. 7. You have scored well in the test. 8. They have visited that museum before. 9. He has arrived at the airport. There are three major forms of a verb: present, past, and past participle. Examples: present, past, past participle. Come, came, come. Run, ran, run. Read, read, read. Win, won, won. Travel, traveled, traveled. Score, scored, scored. Visit, visited, visited. Arrive, arrived, arrived. Since we need the past participle form of a verb for the present perfect tense, we must learn how to form both the past and the past participle forms of various verbs. Forming the past and past participle forms. Most verbs are regular and we can add it to change their forms in the past and past participle tense. 1. In most cases. Present, past, past participle. Cook, cooked, cooked. Open, opened, opened. laugh, laughed, laughed. Paint, painted, painted. Two verbs ending in a hissing sound, s, ss, ch, sh, x, z. Present, past, past participle. Crush, crushed, crushed. Scratch, scratched, scratched. Three verbs ending in e, ie. Close, closed, closed. Agree, agreed, agreed. Lie, lied, lied. Four verbs ending with consonant plus y, change y into ied. Apply, applied, applied. Cry, cried, cried. Five verbs ending with vowel plus y, add ed. Pray, prayed, prayed. Enjoy, enjoyed, enjoyed. Six, also remember. Pay, paid, paid. Say, said, said. Some verbs are irregular and form their past and past participle tense in a different way. 1. All three forms are the same. Present, past, past participle. Bet, bet, bet. Put, put, put. Cut, cut, cut. Hit, hit, hit. Cost, cost, cost. Hurt, hurt, hurt. Shed, shed, shed. Quit, quit, quit. Two of the forms are same. Present, past, past participle. Beat, beaten, beaten. Bend, bent, bent. Bring, brought, brought. Build, built, built. Catch, caught, caught. Dig, dug, dug. Feel, felt, felt. Fight, fought, fought. Hold, held, held. Learn, learnt, learnt. Lose, lost, lost. Make, made, made. Meet, met, met. Shine, shone, shone. Stand, stood, stood. Tell, told, told. Weep, wept, wept. All three forms are different. Present, past, past participle. Be, was or were. Been, begin, began, begun. Bite, bit, bitten. Blow, blew, blown. Choose, chose, chosen. Drink, drank, drunk. Drive, drove, driven. Fall, fell, fallen. Fly, flew, flown. Forget, forgot, forgotten. Freeze, froze, frozen. Give, gave, given. Grow, grew, grown. Know, knew, known. Mistake, mistook, mistaken. Ring, ranged, rung. Speak, spoke, spoken. Swim, swam, swam, take, took, taken, write, wrote, written.